Welcome, dear students. In this second unit, we are discussing the construction working principle and applications of various compounding equipments and ancillary equipments. Now, in this module, we will be discussing the construction working principle and applications of color blender and magnetic grills. Color blenders are mainly used to mix colorants with the plastic materials to make color master batch. We can also blend the colorants with the recycled materials. Normally, these color blenders are widely used in injection molding and extrusion industries. Also, these color blenders, apart from this plastic industries, they are used in powder metallurgy, pharmaceutical industries also. Now, we can elaborately discuss the construction of a color blender. The color blender consists of a rotary drum, which is driven by the drum driven by a belt pulley. This is the belt pulley. It has control units. It has electrical control box and also belt cover. This is the belt cover, and the drum is attached to this electrical motor, and also it has the outlet panel and the inlet panel. In the top it has inlet panel, at the bottom it has outlet panel, and this setup is mounted on a supporting frame. This is a supporting frame on which the whole the pump, electrical control box, and the rotation drum, motor, pulley, everything is attached to this support frame. Now we shall discuss the operation of the operating principle of this color blender. This machine incorporates a base, and actually this is the base, mounted governing motor shaft and rotary connection assembly and a barrel unit. The material barrel is driven by shaft to develop a complex movement, including the horizontal movement, vertical movement and rolling motion, which causes the material to move in three directions. This direction also, this direction and the rotary direction. So that we get a highly uniform mixing of the plastic materials and the colorants. This machine is fully enclosed and high efficiency. When the material is being mixed, no centrifugal force is applied and the gravitational segregation and the laminar accumulation also does not occur. So the mixing mainly requires the rotary mixer is widely used for mixing and stirring powders and granule materials. The advantage of these materials are the advantage of this color blender are high efficiency, easy operation, easy cleaning, and easy maintenance. This rotor is highly suitable for all kind of plastic raw materials and color mixing, both virgin and regrained, and also master batch mixes. Since it has fully stainless steel design and rust free, it can be easily cleaned. The color mixers are able to perform uniform mixer for a large volume of material. With the short mixing time, the color mixer adopts the principle of spiral mixing, and the material put into the feeding hopper is conveyed to the upper end of the barrel through the spin main shaft, and then fall in the umbrella type the rotor, and continuously cycles and agitate, thereby achieving the purpose of uniform mixing. We have the vertical mixer also. We have vertical type mixers also, that is vertical type color blenders, which has the function of automatic running time and overload protection, feeding limit alarm, etc. It has the advantage of small land occupation, large capacity, low power consumption, labor saving, and finally quick and even mixing of this colorant takes place. So the working principle is very easy. That is when we switch on the machine, the drum tends to rotate in all the direction in order to get the uniform mixing of the color and plastic materials. So finally, we can see the applications of this color blender. This machine is applicable for mixing powder and granule materials in plastics, particularly for making the color master batch. And also, this color blenders also find application in pharmaceutical industries, chemical industries, foodstuff industries, even in metallurgy and scientific research industries also. So, we have elaborately seen the construction, working principle and application of this color blender. Next, we shall see the construction and working of magnetic grills, or they can also called as separators. The magnetic separator is a device which is used to remove the magnetic materials from the plastic materials, because during recycle some magnetic materials may mix with the plastic materials or with the virgin materials. So this magnetic material should not enter into the machine, plastic machines, maybe in injection or even any other mixing, any other the magnetic materials should not go into the machines maybe in injection or blow molding or any other plastic processing machines. So what we can do, these materials are supplied to this hopper. The magnetic grills are fitted in the feed hopper. So when we put the plastic materials through these magnetic grills, the magnetic materials get attracted to this magnetic grills, and only the plastic materials are allowed to pass through this magnetic grills. So that in the processing machines, we will have only the plastic materials go into the machines, and we get the plastic product. Otherwise, these metal particles may damage the machines or the molds during molding process. So it is very simple. When we supply these plastic materials or regrind materials along with the magnetic dust through this magnetic grills, the magnetic materials get separated, and only the plastic material is allowed to pass through this magnetic grills. So with this, we come to the end of this model as well as the end of this chapter. So in this chapter, in this unit, we discuss elaborately about the construction working principle and applications of various compounding equipments and various ancillary equipments. Thank you.